I didn't realize how lost I had become these days. Not until I attempted making this one video. Writing, deleting, writing again, rewriting and deleting. Trying to impress people who never asked me to. Trying to be perfect in an imperfect world when I wasn't even present. And somewhere in that mess, I just disappeared. Let me just be honest with you. These past few weeks, I hit a very big wall, a heavy one for that matter. And I wanted my videos to be perfect, to hit, to be clear, to have all that it takes to be a fantastic video, to make that positive impression, to make people say, wow, he is back, Dogati is back. But to my surprise, that pressure destroyed the joy of creating. It drowned my authenticity. It made me feel super small in my own world. There were days I would sit down head rubbing to brainstorm for a script that would last for hours, and at times days went by and nothing felt good enough. Not because the ideas were bad, but because I was trying to make it good for others instead of being true to myself. And that's when it hit me so hard that I had started pleasing people, both in real life and even behind the camera. You know those kind of moments when you rehearse for what you are going to say, like you are auditioning for a movie you weren't even cast in? Yeah, that was me. The idea of pretending to be someone else just to fit in can drain you. Pleasing people will exhaust you, and trying to impress the world will always leave you empty. I didn't realize how much it affected me until I realized I wasn't creating videos anymore. I wasn't myself at all. I wasn't free. And honestly speaking, I wasn't happy at all. My mind was loud, my heart was tired, and my soul felt numb. So I stopped everything. No scripts, no pressure, no videos. I just logged off, because sometimes the strongest thing you can do is to stop pretending you're okay. And when I paused, I saw someone I didn't like at all. A man who was busy pleasing everyone but ignoring himself. I saw someone who kept on saying yes while his soul was screaming a big no. I saw someone who cared so much about what would other people say about himself, and he forgot how to be himself. So I did something totally different, and not the cruel kind of selfish, the healthy one. I chose myself. I chose to mind my own business and rebuild my connection with God, because in Him I am whole and complete. I started protecting my energy and stopped pouring into places that drained me. And that choice alone changed everything. And as I slowed down, I heard God clearer. And finally, I understood the difference between being busy and being purposeful. I am grateful for the break I took. Grateful for the broken moments that humbled me. Grateful for the silence that taught me. Grateful that God made me in a place I didn't want to admit I was in. And here is the truth that I finally accepted. You can't build your future while living for people's approval. You won't experience peace while chasing validation. And you will never protect your purpose if you can't say no. You will never be authentic if you constantly keep on impressing other people. Because that's what drowned me. But that's also what saved me. And this period of my life, this season, has taught me that sometimes we tend to let go of ourselves, to ignore of our needs in the name of making others happy, impressing others, trying to fix others. But one thing for sure that I've learned in this season is you will only find yourself when you start choosing what's healthy over what looks good. You will definitely find yourself when you stop performing and start living your life, when you stop pleasing and start being honest with yourself and have that open conversation and being aware of what you're losing. This really hit me so hard, this period of my life.